In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly adjust the size of a clip in your timeline, this is a very simple tool to use, and once you know where it is, you can make these changes in just a few seconds. Zooming in can help you crop closer to your subject or create a more dramatic framing, while zooming out can help you show more of the original shot if needed. To get started, go to the top right area of DaVinci Resolve and click on Inspector. If the Inspector panel is not already open, this will make it appear so you can access the settings for the clip you currently have selected. Make sure you've clicked on the clip you want to adjust in your timeline first, otherwise you may not see the controls you need. Once you're in the Inspector, look for the Transform section. This is where you'll find several controls that affect how your clip appears in the frame. The setting you want here is Zoom. This controls the overall size of your clip. From here you can click and drag the zoom value from left to right. Dragging one direction will zoom in, making the clip appear larger. Dragging the other direction will zoom out, making it appear smaller. This is usually the fastest way to make a quick adjustment, especially if you just want to visually fine-tune the shot until it looks right. You can also manually enter values for X and Y. This gives you a bit more control if you want to be precise. In many cases, keeping the X and Y values the same will scale the clip evenly, which is useful when you want a natural-looking zoom without stretching the image. If you change them differently, you may affect the width and height separately, so just keep that in mind while adjusting. As you make these changes, watch the preview window so you can see exactly how the zoom is affecting your shot. Small adjustments often make a big difference, so it's a good idea to move gradually until the framing looks the way you want. And that's it. That's how to zoom in and out in DaVinci Resolve using the Inspector and the zoom controls in the Transform section. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick and easy part of your editing workflow.